Hey guys, it's Rahul here from the Luxe 360 booth, and I know that with flight cases sometimes these accidents can happen. That's right, so after pretty much, let's say, 1 to 2 years of use, one of the wheels fell off, and I bet you're normally dreading it. Now, if you order from China or Hong Kong directly, they ain't really going to help you out. What's the point of them sending you a $10 wheel? They don't make money on it. The shipping cost is probably more than the wheel. When you buy from the Luxe 360 booths, we can give you instant spares, and there's the beauty of that. This is how simple it was, and the reason I wanted to make this video, because you're probably thinking, well, it's a flight case wheel, is because spares aren't as easily available as possible. Now, it's so easy to change ours, and I had a customer give me some feedback once that I'm not a mechanic, I don't know how to change wheels. Really, I have to be honest with you guys, I am terrible at DIY. Terrible. I cannot probably even put up a paint in, and I could do this, and it really didn't take me much time. I didn't have to use any electric tools, and we give 2 screw sets as well available. But I'm going to show you how strong our screws were. So the screws that we give you, the reason we can put 5 years behind things is because I took these screws out and they still had strength. I just literally didn't even have to put WD-40 on them, and they went back in. But obviously I showed you guys as well, you can optionally put in new screws as well. So I'm gonna, without much further ado, let you watch the video and see how easy it is. So remember guys, if you want to buy a photo booth from us, all our photo booths are designed in the UK. We've got a trademark on most of our photo booths, and we have some photo booths that are only available from us. Now, some people might say I seem very similar in China or Hong Kong. That's because they're copying and imitating us. What you'll find is that a lot of the bases are made a lot cheaper. There'll be a slight difference in the design, and that's how they're getting around copying us and making replicas. But you will get the ultimate quality with us, and you will get the best service. Check out our reviews. We've helped hundreds of businesses, and we'd love to help you today. So make sure you come to us for any of your photo booth needs. Even if there's something that you don't see on our website, we probably can source it for you as well. So what else do you get booking with us that makes it any different buying your photo booth from us? We also give you the Photo Booth Masters course. Now, if you buy this course alone, it's £5,000. That's right, £5,000. We give you that. It shows you how to run Google Ads, how to market your business, how to do social media, how to handle sales calls, everything you need. Plus, that's not it. We've teamed up with Rudy Meyer and Meyer Capital to also give you marketing from them as well. And you get access to all of our communities and groups, including the YouTube. And also, that's not it. We're not finished. Bespoke Designs have also teamed up to give all our users and all our customers the help they need with designs as well, with discounts. So it makes sense. Buy from us, buy from the best in the UK, the people that started this whole thing. So once again guys, it's manufacturer.deluxe360.co.uk.